Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30 days Python learning challenge. And in today's video, we are going to learn Python dictionaries, one of the most useful data types in Python. By the end of this video, you will know what a dictionary is and how to create one and how to access, add, update and remove data. And I'll give you a simple challenge to practice. Let's get started. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Think of like a real dictionary. The word is the key and its meaning is the value. In Python, it looks like this. Here, name, age, and city are the keys, and their corresponding values are Raji, 29, and Bangalore. Dictionaries are ordered, changeable, and don't allow duplicate keys. Let's see how to create a dictionary. Creating a dictionary is very easy, and an empty dictionary will look like this. And with values, notice that dictionaries use curly braces with each key and value separated by a colon. How we will be accessing these values? To get a value, use its key like print student of name. This will give the output as Raji. You can also use the get method like this, and if a key doesn't exist, you can provide a default value as well. Since country isn't in the dictionary, Python prints India instead of showing an error, adding and updating a data into the dictionary. Let's see. To add a new item in the dictionary, you will be writing like this. Student and the profession equals to iOS developer, and to update an existing value, you will be writing like this. And let's see how we will be removing an items from the dictionary. Like we can use del means delete option, student of city, or we can use pop method also to remove the data. Now see the useful dictionary methods here. Here are a few methods you use often, like keys, this will return all keys, and values, this returns all values, and items returns both keys and values. Length means returns a number of key value pairs in the dictionary, and clear means removes everything from the dictionary. One important rule to remember is dictionary keys must be unique. Keys should be immutable, such as strings, numbers, or tuples. Now it's your turn. Create a dictionary with your name, age, country, and your favorite programming language. Then add your hobby and update your age, remove the country, print all the keys, and print all the values. Share your output in the comments. That's it for today's lesson. Today we have learned what dictionaries are, how to create them, access values, add, update, and remove data, and some useful dictionary methods. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow the rest of the 30 days Python learning challenge. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.